Good afternoon, everyone. Please try to solve question number one. What is there in the question? 2/3 is a rational number, whereas root 2 by root 3 is what? We have already solved this type of question, right? I mean, this question we have. Please solve question number 58. Question number 58. Five students are taking one or more courses. 500 students. Yes, please try. Yes, online students. Am I audible? Question number 58. Yes. So there are three subjects: chemistry, physics, and maths. Registration records indicate okay. Am I audible? Yes. Online students. Okay. So chemistry, how many? 329. Physics, 186. Mathematics, 295. Chemistry and physics, 83. Chemistry and maths, 217. Physics and maths, 63. How many students are taking? Your voice is not audible. Yes, what about the others? Am I audible to you? Yes. Audible. Okay. 58. Question number 58. Did anyone get the answer? Anyone? Chemistry and physics 217 and physics and maths 63. How many students are taking all three subjects? Very easy. Venn diagram. We need to apply the formula. What is the formula? Tell me. N of N of A N of A intersection. I mean A union B union C is equal to, tell me, N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Yes or no? Now, tell me, What is n of a? 329. What is n of a? Now, what is n of b? 186. Yes or no? Then what is n of c? 295. Then minus. Tell me. Chemistry and physics. 83. Chemistry and maths. 217. Physics and maths. 63. Yes. Now, suppose the number of students who have enrolled for all these three subjects, suppose that is x. Now, we need to find out the value of x. So, can we go with unit digit? Yes or no only? Because see, if you see in the options, we have 7, 3, 7, and 3. So, two options can be eliminated. Yes or no? Or, or just solve it. It is not that difficult. What is the answer? 53. Yes. What about the others? Have you got the answer? I hope you understood this is the formula that we need to use here. Yes or no? Okay, very good. Have you understood, everyone? Shall we move to the next question? Yes or no? Okay. Please try to solve question number 57. That was 50. Question number 58. Now we need to solve question number 57. Please try. 2 raised to x is equal to 7 raised to y is equal to 14 raised to z. Then find the value of z in terms of x and y. Yes, you need to take log. Just consider 2 raised to x is equal to 7 raised to y is equal to 14 raised to z is equal to k. Taking log on both sides, you'll get x, y, z in terms of uh, k, log k to the base 2 and log k to the base 7. Likewise. Yes or no? Very easy. Please try. Whenever you see exponential equality, you need to take log. Yes or no? You might have seen these type of questions in sequence and series as well. Yes or no? So we need to take log. If this is equal, I mean 2 raised to x is equal to a raised to x is equal to b raised to y is equal to c raised to z. 2 raised to x is equal to 7 raised to y is equal to 14 raised to z is equal to k. And you'll get three separate equations. And then we need to take log on both sides. Yes, online students, are you getting or not? Very easy. So we have got 2 raised to x is equal to 7 raised to y. Okay. 14 raised to z. Please try. Very easy. Is equal to k. Now, if I write 2 raised to x is equal to k, then can I directly write x is equal to log k base 2? Have you understood this one? I have skipped one step. Similarly, I can write y is equal to, tell me, log k base 7. Very good. Now, z is equal to log k base 14. Now, could you just tell me what is 1 by x? See, you can apply the properties of log if and only if base are same. So 1 by x will give you log 2 base k. 1 by y will give you, tell me, log 7 base k. Now, and 1 by z will give you log 14 base k. Now, if you add the first two, 1 by x plus 1 by x, you will get applying the properties of log a plus log b is equal to log ab. Yes or no? Keeping a base same. Yes or no? So can I write 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to log 14 base k, which is 1 by z? Yes or no? Yes or no? 2 into 7 is 14. 14. I'm skipping some of the steps. I hope you are getting. And that is equal to 1 by z. So you needed to write z in terms of x and y. So now I can simplify. So z will be, this is nothing but x plus y over xy. That is equal to z. Now I can write 1 by z. Yes or no? Now I can write z is equal to xy over x plus y. So which option is correct? Just see. D is the right answer. Yes, online students, have you understood? Yes or no? So please remember the steps. Whenever you see exponential equation, you need to, I mean, most of the times we need to take log. Yes or no? Shall we move ahead? See, we had got 1 by x is equal to log 2 base k, 1 by y is equal to log 7 base k, and 1 by z log 14 base k. If we add 1 by x and 1 by y, on the right hand side, since base are same, I can apply the property log a plus log b is equal to log ab. Yes or no? Yes. So 2 into 7 becomes 14. So that is nothing but 1 by z only. Yes or no? So we don't have to find out the value of 1 by z. We need to find out the value of z in terms of x and y. So we need to simplify further. Yes or no? So answer would be 1 by z is x plus y over xy. So z would be xy over x plus y. Isn't it? Done? That is the answer only. Question number 56. Please try. Question number 56. Okay, very good. Question number 56. If the price of each book goes up by 5 and Asha can buy 20 books less for rupees 200, I mean 1200. Find the original price and the number of books Asha could buy at the original price. Okay. Somebody has got option B. What about the others? Very easy. Yes. Okay. Shall we solve now? Yes. Anyone has got the answer? See, have you understood the question? If you increase the price of each item by 5 rupees, so for 1200 rupees, you can buy 20 less books. Yes or no? Are you getting? If you increase the price of each item, then you can buy how many? Suppose n books one can buy at original cost. If you increase the price by 5 rupees, then n minus 20 number of books you can buy. That is the thing. Understood? So suppose n is the number of books that one can buy at the price of p. I mean, that is the original price. That is what we need to find out. Yes or no? N and p. Number of, what is the question? We need to find out the original price and the number of books. Yes or no? Okay. Now, if you increase the price by 5, so p plus 5. So p is the cost per book. Okay. So p plus 5, then the number of how many books? N minus 20 and p plus 5. That should be equal to np, and that is equal to 1202. So np is equal to 1200. Np is equal to 1200. One equation, and the other equation is, tell me, this is equal to np. I mean, you can equate these two. And now simultaneously try to solve it, you'll get the answer. Understood? Okay. Please try. 56, option B, somebody is getting. Or one thing you can do, shall I tell you the other way? We have options. What is the total cost? I mean, the total amount that we have to spend on books, 1200. So the product should be to 1200. Yes or no? So A option will be eliminated. B and C. 15 into 8 is 120. So 1200 you'll get. Yes or no? So B, either B can be or C can be the answer. D and A will be eliminated. Now what I'm doing, I'm using the reverse method. I mean, reverse psychology, you can say. I mean, we have to use options, right? Now, 25 into 50, I mean, A and D will be eliminated. Let us try B option. Now, just increase the price by 5. So, what is the cost? 25. The new cost is 25. Now, 25 into 40 we need to calculate. Why? Because we need to buy 20 less. I mean, the number of books. So that is 40. So 40 into 25 should be 200. So it is not 200, 1200. So it is not the correct answer. Are you getting or not? We have increased the price by 5. So it becomes 25. Now 25 into 40. Why 40? Because 60 is the total number of books one can buy. So 20 less means 40 books. So 40 into 25 should be 1200. Yes or no? No. So it is not the correct answer. So answer would be C. Now we can verify it. Now just increase the price by 5. It is 20. Now decrease the number of books by 20. 60 into 20 is 1200. So answer is C. Yes or no? Understood. And both the equations are satisfied that I have written. C option will satisfy both the equations. So answer is C, not B. Yes, online students, have you understood? Yes or no? Yes or no? So you don't have to solve this now. You can use the options. If you solve it, you'll get it. What we can do, a product is given and one of the other equation will be given. NP and NP will get cancelled. Yes or no? So we'll get another relation in NNP. Okay, you didn't get. See, very easy. Have you understood this equation? I have considered the total number of books N, original, and the cost per book as P. Now, what I have to do, we have to just increase the price by 5, so it becomes P plus 5. And I need to decrease the number of books by 20, so it becomes N minus 20. Now, the product should be constant, that is NP or 1200. NP should be 1200, the total cost. So NP is 1200. This is the first equation. And the second equation is, tell me, if you multiply it, what will get? NP plus 5N minus 20P minus 100 is equal to NP. Yes or no? NP and NP will get. So this is the second equation I have got. I mean, I can write 5N minus 20P is equal to 100. I can write. Yes or no? So this is 100. I can just see N is equal to, tell me, 25 plus 20 plus 4P. Yes or no? N is equal to, I have divided it by 5 and I have taken the uh, term involving P on the right and it becomes 20 plus 4P. Yes or no? Now put the value of N in the first equation. Yes or no? So what will get? Tell me. 20 plus 4P into P is equal to, tell me, 1200. Yes or no? Now what we need to do? So it becomes, I can divide it by 4. So P plus 5. Yes or no? P is equal to, tell me, 4 300. Yes or no? Now tell me, 15 into 20, if you compare. Yes or no? Or you can solve it. The quadratic equation can be solved in order to get the value of P. So it is nothing but P square plus, but it is very lengthy, as you can see. Yes or no? So we can use options. Now tell me, P square plus 5P minus 300 is equal to 0. Now this is nothing but P minus, tell me, P minus or P plus. 25 into 30 is what? Or 15 into 20 is nothing but 300. 15 into 20. So 20 I have to write here and here P minus 15. Yes or no? So P can't be negative. So it is 15. So if P is 15, then N is NP is 1200. So that is 80. Yes or no? I hope you got it now. Yes, online students. So this is the traditional method. This is the traditional method. but I would suggest that, I mean, we can use the options here. The product should be 1200. If you understood the question, it becomes very easy to use options. Shall we move to the next question? Please try question number 55 now. Yes, online students, I hope it is clear. I have assumed the total number of books that one can buy originally, and the cost per book. And then whatever was given in the question, accordingly we have proceed. Okay, tell me. Question number 55. Yes. In a group of students in the class, 20 are in the debating club, 24 are in drama club, and 27 are in recitation club. And then if 12 like drama and debate, same Venn diagram, again we need to apply the formula. Simple, apply the formula. The first question that we have solved, we need to apply the same formula. Very easy. Do you remember the formula? This is the formula that we have used. See, yes or no? This is the formula. N of A plus N of B. What we need to find out? N of A union B union C, isn't it? Yes, online students, have you understood what we need to find out? Question number 55. So we already know the formula. So answer should be 20. In N of A union B union C, we need to find out. A union B union C is equal to, tell me, what is N of A? 20. What is N of B? 24. What is N of C? 27 minus. Tell me, I can take minus outside common. Now tell me, 12, 10, and 14. Yes or no? And then plus 7. So we need to find out the total number of students in the class. So what we are getting, tell me. 44 plus 7, 51 plus 20, 71 minus 22. 22 plus 14. 22 plus 14. 36. 36 plus 7. Yes or no? So that is 35 plus 7, I guess. Yes or no? So it is 42. Answer is 42. How easy it was? Very easy. Yes or no? Please try to solve question number 54 now. Very easy. 56. Not 56. 54. Yes, online students, have you understood? Three wheels can complete 20, 40, 24, and 16 revolutions per minute. There is a green spot on each wheel that touches the ground at the time 0. After how much time all those spots will simultaneously touch the ground again? Have you understood the question? There are three wheels, and it is already given how many revolutions per minute they complete. Yes or no? 40, 24, and 16. And there is a spot, green spot, which touches the ground at time 0. Yes or no? All the wheels start at the same time, you can say. Yes or no? Time 0. So after how many, how much time the same spot of all the wheels will touch the ground? That is the question. The speeds are different. The speeds are different. Tell me. See, suppose this is wheel 1, wheel 2, and wheel 3. 40 revolutions per minute. So in uh, what is the time taken? What is the time taken by every wheel to complete its one revolution? Could you just find out? It is very easy. What? See, 40 revolutions in 1 minute. So in 60 seconds, 40 revolutions. So for one revolution, how much time is needed? 60 by 40? Yes or no? So what is T1? T1 is the time taken by wheel 1 to complete its one revolution. So unitary method, very simple. Yes or no? For 40 revolutions, how much time it takes? 60 minutes. 60 seconds. Yes or no? So for one revolution, how much time it will take? 60 by? Very good. Yes or no? So that is nothing but, what is T1? 2 by or 3 by 2? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 seconds. Yes or no? 3 by 2 seconds. Okay. Now what about wheel 2? Tell me. T2 is what? T2 is what? 60 by 24. So what is T2? Tell me. 12 fives are and 12 twos are. Yes or no? 5 by 2. 2.5 minutes. 2.5 seconds. What is T3? Tell me. 60 by 16. Now tell me. What is T3? What is the time taken by wheel 3 to complete its one revolution? 60 by 16? 15 by 15 by 4. Okay. So this is the time taken by each wheel to complete its one revolution only. Okay. Now at time 0, the same spot will touch the ground for each wheel. Yes or no? Now after how much time? After how much time the same spot will touch the ground simultaneously for all the wheels? So we need to find out LCM. Yes or no? We need to find out the LCM. LCM is what? The least number which will be divided by every number. So the least time we need to find out, yes or no, which will be multiple of each and every number. The number of revolution, because after every revolution that spot is going to come. Yes or no? So what is LCM? 3, 5, and 15. What is the formula for LCM? Yes, LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. So what is LCM of numerators? 3, 5, 15? 15. What is HCF of 2, 2, 4? 2. So 15 by, what is 15 by 2? 7.5 seconds. Answer is A. So different type of question you'll get. Yes or no here? I hope it is clear. But remember the type. Remember the type. Yes or no? Yes, online students, have you understood? So we need to find out LCM. So LCM of, because we needed to find out the time. Yes or no? Time taken by, I mean the least time we need to find out. After which they will complete certain number of revolutions. Yes or no? LCM is what? LCM of numerators divided by, tell me, HCF of HCF of denominators. Please note it down if you understood. So LCM of 3, 5, 15 is 15. Yes, C option. Question number 54. Please mention the question number. Question number 54. Answer should be 7.5 seconds, not minutes. So 15 by 2. That is. So all these are seconds, not minutes. Remember this. So answer is 7.5 seconds. Understood? Okay, very good. Please try to solve question number 53 now. 53. Question number 53. If n is equal to 1 plus x, where x is a product of 4 consecutive positive integers, then which one of the following is true? See, product of 4 consecutive numbers cannot be an odd number. Because there must be an even number. Yes or no? Now, plus 1, if you add, if you add, it becomes odd. So the first statement cannot be correct. Yes or no? So remove all those options where first statement is there, and if you see in the first 3 options, one first statement is there. So answer would be D. Simply observation. Very simple. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? Okay. So we cannot say. See, what about the third one? So this is the property now. If you multiply the 4 consecutive numbers, let us take 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 24 plus 1, 25. Now what is 2, 3, 4, 5? 120? Yes or no? And 120 plus 1, 121. Again perfect square. So this is the property now. Product of 4 consecutive integers. Integers I can say. Yes or no? Why integers I can say? Positive or negative, anything. Because minus minus becomes again positive. Because 4 negatives or see, it could be 3 positive and 1. Is it possible? No. 0 is there. If you take both the numbers, 0 is going to come because negative numbers has to cross 0 to reach there. Yes or no? In the first, positive integers. So it becomes 0 and 0 plus 1. So now I can say yes or no. And 1 is a perfect square. So what is the property? Please note it down. Product of plus 1 is a perfect square. Please write. Product of, please write. Product of 4. Yes, online students, have you understood? 4 consecutive integers. Yes or no? 4 consecutive integers plus 1 is a perfect square. Shall I prove it? Yeah. How can we prove? We can take x plus 1. You just try, we'll tell you later if you don't get it. X plus 1, x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 1. Now just multiply, you'll get a perfect square. In fact, you will get what is the perfect square. See, if you observe 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1. So it is 25. Okay. So now I can say 4 plus 1 whole square. And then 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. I mean into 5 and plus 1. It is 121. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 whole square. So we need to observe basically. Yes or no? So please try and just let me know what is the perfect square we are getting. I mean, of which number? Shall we move ahead? Yes or no? Okay. Question number, please try. So answer is D. Okay. Please try question number 52. Question number 52. Please try. The smallest number that should be subtracted from 2085 so that the new number is completely divisible by 23. Very easy. We need to divide this number by 23. Whatever the remainder we have, that should be subtracted. Yes or no? Yes or no? Remainder is extra. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So if you subtract remainder, then the dividend would be, I mean, whatever the resultant number, that would be subtracted. I mean, that would be divisible by the divisor. Yes or no? So what we need to do? We need to just divide 2085 by 23. Whatever the remainder you get, that would be your answer. I hope it is clear. Tell me, what is the remainder we are getting? 2085. Tell me. Do you know the table of 23? 23 into 9, 207. 23 nines are 207. 15. What is the remainder? Done. Please try question number 51. Where is 51? Okay, this is 51. Let me write here. This is 51. Please try. This. A mess contractor can either serve 450 students with the meal that he prepares, or can cater to 270 cops with the same meal. Okay. If 300 students have already eaten in the mess, how many cops can be fed with the remaining? Do you know how to solve time and work questions? No? Pipe and cistern. No? A can finish a work in 20 days and B can complete the same work in 30 days. Then in how many ways? In how many days both of them together can finish the work? These type of questions, have you all ever solved? No? Okay, please try question number 51. We need to find out efficiency here. Efficiency, or we can say per unit food that is needed for each student and cop. D. Okay. See, let us assume the efficiency of each student is S, or S unit food is taken by or eaten by each student, and C unit food is eaten by each cop. Okay. So can I say question number 51? Can I say, see, 450 S is equal to 270 C? Yes or no? Why? See, every student eats S unit of food. And how many students are there in all? Total 450. So the total food required would be 450 S units. Yes or no? Similarly, how many cops are there? 270. And the total food is constant. Yes or no? That is there in the question. Now, so can I see, if you just simplify it, you'll get 9 fives are, tell me, 45, and 9 threes are. So 5S is equal to 3C. Yes or no? Now see, 150 students, sorry, 300 students have already eaten in the mess. So how much food is there left now for 150 students? So we need to find out 150 students is equal to how many cops? Yes or no? So in this equation, we need to just multiply the whole equation by 30. Yes or no? So if 5S is equal to 3C, then 150S is equal to what? 90C. So the food is left for only 150 students, and that is equivalent to 90 cops. So answer is 90. How is it was? Have you understood? Yes, online students. Yes or no? Shall we move ahead? Okay, next. Question number 50. This question is 50. This is 50. Please try. A clock gains 2 minutes per hour. Then the angle traveled by the second hand in 1 minute is. Please try. Yes, online students, have you understood? Okay, very good. Please try question number 51. Yes, very easy. What is the percentage gain? How much percentage? I mean, what fraction we can say? I mean, see, 2 minutes in every hour, it means 2 by 60. That is 1 by 30. That is 10 by 3%. See, percentage gain we need to find out. Question number, we are solving 50, right? So 2 minutes in, sorry, 2 minutes in every hour. It means how many minutes are there? 60 minutes into 100. That is equal to, tell me, 10 by 3. So percentage gain, percentage gain is equal to, tell me, 10 by 3%. Yes or no? So if no gain, I mean percentage gain is suppose 0%. So what is the angle traversed by the second hand in 1 minute? That is 360 degree. But 10 by 3% more it will gain. Yes or no? It will traverse. Yes or no? So it means we need to find out. I mean the answer should be 360 degree plus 3 10 by 3 percentage of 360. Yes or no? No. Divided by 100. Yes or no? Yes or no? No. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. This is 12. So answer is 360 plus 12. That is 372 degree is the right answer. Sorry. I hope it is clear. Yes, online students, we need to find out percentage gain. Unitary method. Simple. Yes or no? Shall we move ahead? Okay. Next. 49. So this is 49. Please try question number 49. Very easy. Question number 49. Beena got married 8 years ago. Today her age is 4 by 5, 5 by 4 times her age at the time of marriage. If her daughter's age is 1 by 10 times her age, then her daughter's age is. Four. Okay. See, very easy. Question number 49. 8 years ago, what we need to find out? Daughter's age. Today her age is, suppose, let the age of Beena is X years. Current age. Yes or no? Or today's age. Now, what we need to do? 8 years ago. Today her age is 1. So X is equal to X minus 8 into 5 by 4. Yes or no? 5 by 4 is more than 1. So X is today's age and X minus 8. So today's age is 5 by 4 times the age before 8 years. Yes or no? Or 8 years ago. Now, if her daughter's age is 1 by 10 times her age. So the daughter's age is X by, I mean, from here we need to find out the value of X. And for daughter's age, we have to just divide it by 10. So we need to find out the value of X by 10. Yes or no? So what we have to do? 4x is equal to 5x minus 40. So x is equal to 40. Now what is the daughter's age? X by 10. That is yes or no? I hope it is clear. Yes, online students, have you understood? That was easy. Now, please try question number 48. So that is 48. Okay, very good. A wheel that has 6 cogs is matched with larger wheel of 14 cogs. When the smaller wheel has made 21 revolutions, then the number of revolutions made by larger wheel. Very easy. Yes. See, the product of number of cogs and number of revolutions should be constant. If you increase the number of cogs, the number of revolutions will be less. Yes or no? It means, see, I hope it is clear what I'm saying. See, uh, let me draw the diagram. Suppose we have got question number, it is 48, right? Yes or no? See, suppose this is smaller wheel having how many cogs? 6 cogs. And this is larger wheel having, tell me, 14 cogs. Yes or no? And here number of revolutions was for a smaller wheel, we have how many revolutions? 21. Yes or no? So for smaller, for larger wheel, we need to find out number of revolutions. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now I have already said what we have. See, number of cogs into number of revolutions must be constant. So can I say, see, suppose this is C1 and this is C2. This is R1 and this is R2. Yes or no? So R1 into C1 must be equal to R2 into C2. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now just simplify, very easy. So what will get? 21 into 6 is equal to what is R2? We need to find out what is C2? 14. So this is 126. So R2 should be 9. Yes or no? Yes or no? So B is the right answer. Shall we move ahead? So what we need to do? Number of revolutions into number of cogs. must be, I mean, the product should be constant. If you increase the number of costs, revolution will be less. Yes or no? I hope it is clear. So answer would be 9. The product should be constant. It's like number of items into per unit cost. If you increase number of items, keeping the total expenditure constant. So if you increase the number of costs, the total number of items that you can purchase will be less. Yes or no? Yes, online students understood. Okay. Please try question number 47. Sanju and Sanju has two watches with a 4-hour cycle. Sorry, 12-hour cycle, and one of these watches gains 1 minute a day, and other losses 1.5 minutes per day. Losses means behind. Okay. And if Sanju sets both the watches at the correct time, how long will it be before they again show the correct time together? Yes or no? Please try. Question number 47. Have you understood the question? 47. Yes, online students. So at the beginning, I mean, in this chapter only, we had very easy questions. Yes or no? Some of you or some of the students said we don't have. I mean, we don't need to attend the lectures for maths. Please try question number 47. Sanju has two watches. One is, tell me, lagging, and one is faster and one is slower. We can say yes or no. So watch 1 and watch 2. Watch 1 and watch 2. 1 minute per day plus 1 minute per day. And here minus, tell me, minus 3/2 minutes per day. Yes or no? Please try. After how many days they will show the correct time? I mean, both of them. LCM or HCF we need to find. That is the hint. Please try. We need to find out how, after how many days, watch 1 will show the correct time. And similarly, after how many days, watch 2 will show the correct time. And then we need to find out LCM. Understood? Because at the same time, we need to find out after how many days both of them will show the correct time. Are you getting? It is similar to that question, wheel wala. Yes or no? That spot, uh, green spot. We had to find out the time taken by each wheel to complete one revolution. 3 by minus 3/2. It losses 1.5 minutes per day. It is already there in the question. Question number 47. This one. We are solving this question. This one. Yes. Please try. So see, if one watch lags, or it is 24 hours faster, it means it will show the correct time. So how many days will be needed? How many days will be needed for watch 1 to be 24 hours faster? 1 minute each day. It means how many minutes are there? How many minutes are there in 24 hours? Yes, that is 1440. Yes or no? In one day. but we don't have to go for 24 hours. Why? Because these are 12-hour clock. So we don't have to worry about AM PM. Yes or no? So only we have to go 12 hours ahead. So how many days will be there? How many days will be needed? 12 into 60. So that is 720, I guess. Yes or no? 720. So 720 is the number of days that will need to for watch 1 to be faster. I mean, 12 hours faster. Yes or no? So how many days will be needed? Tell me. See, for 1 minute, 1 day is needed. For 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 day is needed. So for 60 minutes, 60 days will be needed. Yes or no? So for 60 into 12, that is 12 hours. Can I write here 1 hour? Yes or no? So if the watch has to be faster by 1 hour, it will need how many days? 60 days. Now for 12 hours, because this is 12-hour clock, we don't have to worry about AM PM. Yes or no? So 12 into 6, that is 72, 720 days. Yes or no? Similarly, for uh, it is lagging the watch too. Yes or no? So now tell me. So it lags how many? 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minutes in 1 day. Yes or no? So answer will be no. After 720 days, it will show the first time the correct time. Understood? After 720 days, it will show the correct time. Watch 1. Now watch 2 is lagging 3 by 2 minutes. I mean, that is 1.5 minutes each day. Yes or no? So what we have to do? First, for 1 hour, what we need to multiply? We have to multiply by 40 for 60 minutes. Yes or no? 40 into 1.5 is 60 minutes. Yes or no? Yes. So in 60 days, 1 hour, it will lag 1 hour. Yes or no? 60 days. Now, for 12 hours, tell me 12 hours. This is 1 hour. This is 12 hours. Online students, are you getting or not? I'm sorry, it is not 60 days, 40 days. Yes or no? We need to multiply it by 40. 40 into 1.5 is 60 minutes. Yes or no? Now 40 days. Now 40 into 12 is 480 days. Yes or no? So after 480 days, watch 2 will show the correct time. And after 720 days, watch 1 will show the correct. At the same time, in order to show for both the watches the correct time, what we need to do? We need to find out LCM. Yes or no? The number of days that will be, I mean, the smallest number of days that we need, which is the multiple of 720 as well as 480. Yes or no? So we need LCM. So this is application of LCM. Are you getting or not? Application of LCM. So LCM of, we need to find out LCM of 720 and 480. 120 into 6 or 240 into, this is nothing but how to find out LCM. See here, shortcut. This is 240 into 3 and this is 240 into 2. Yes or no? Now, in these two numbers, 240 is common. For LCM, 2 common number will come. And now we need to find out LCM of 2 and 3. That is 6. So answer is 1440 days. So after 1440 days, when around 5 years, after 4 to 5 years, both the watch will show the correct time. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? Is it clear? Shall we move ahead? Yes or no? Watch 2. See, watch 2 lags 1.5 minutes each day. So we need to find out in 1 hour. I mean, for watch 2, if it has to be 1 hour late, so how many days will be needed? So what we need to do? We need to find out how many days will be needed for watch 2 to be late by 1 hour. So in one day, it gets late by 1.5 minutes. So we need to multiply by 40. So 40 into, yes, yes. So I've skipped that step. Understood? Now, so since we have got 40 days, I mean the number of days needed to be late for watch 2 by 1 hour is 40 days. Yes or no? Now what we need to do? We need to multiply it by 12. Why 12? Because this is 12-hour clock. We don't have to worry about 24 hours. Otherwise, we, I mean, by 2, 24. Yes, understood. So we need to find out LCM now. So answer would be 144. Yes, online students, are you getting or not? Hello, hello. Okay. Shall we move ahead? Next question. Question number 46. ABCD is a quadrilateral in each, I mean, in which measures of angle D and angle C are 60 degree and 100 degrees respectively. If the internal bisector of angle A and angle B meet at P, then measure of angle APB. Please try. Question number 46. 46. Yes, online students, are you getting or not? Yes. I'm unable to hear you. Please just write in the chat box if you don't get anything. Please try to solve question number 46. Shall I draw the diagram? ABCD is a quadrilateral in which measures of angle D and C are 60 and 40. Yes. If the internal bisector of angle A and B meets at B, very easy. See, some quadrilateral, let me draw. The angle D and C is 60 and 100. See, angle D is 60, angle C is 100. Yes, yes or no? Now, angle bisector of A and B. So, this is the angle bisector of angle D and C. Order is important. Respectively, angle D and C. See, angle D and angle C are 60 degree and 100 degree respectively. It means D is 60 and C is 100. Now we need to draw two angle bisectors. I mean, of angle A and angle B. They meet at P. This angle and this angle are identical. Similarly, these two are identical. So we need to find out this angle. Yes or no? So can I say angle A plus angle B is, I mean, the total sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360? Yes or no? Now C and D together will be 160. Now we are left with 200, I guess. Yes or no? Yes or no? I can write directly A plus B is 200 because A plus B plus C plus D is 360. As we already know the angle C and D. So A plus B is 200. Is it clear? Now, what is A by 2 plus B by 2? Okay, let us not go there. See, very easy. Now, this is nothing but A by 2. Sorry, B by 2. Yes or no? This is B by 2. I'm talking about triangle APB. So this triangle is B by 2. This angle is, I mean, this one. And this one is A by 2. Yes or no? Now, suppose this angle is P only. So, can I say P plus A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal to 180? Angle sum property. Now, 2P plus A plus B is equal to 360. Now we already know A plus B. So 2P plus 200 is equal to 360. So 2P is equal to 360 minus 200, that is 160. And if you just divide it by 2, you'll get 80. Is there any option? 80 is there? Yes. So answer is A. B plus D is? No. That is there in cyclic quadrilateral. It is not a cyclic. Understood? Luckily, you might have got the answer, but that is not the property. I mean, for any quadrilateral, the sum is 360. That is what we can say. Understood? Okay, next 45. Yes, online students, are you getting or not? You're not responding at all. Please try question number 45. Again, application of LCM and HCF. These are the numbers divided by greatest number n. The remainder in each is m, then the value of m plus n. Please try question number 45. Question number 45. Have you understood the question? There are three numbers 13511, 13903, and 14589. So these are the numbers divided by the greatest number n, and the remainder in each case is m. We need to find out the value of n plus m. What should be the the answer. Please try. Yes, anyone? Yes, online students, have you got it? Yes. Okay, see, since they have got, they have asked the value of n plus m. So we can not use the options. Yes or no? Yes or no? So what we need to do? We need to go traditionally. So can I write 13511 13511 is equal to an plus m. Remainder is m, right? Yes or no? And we need to just divide it by n. Now, similarly, can I write 1313903 is equal to bn plus m, some other number. Now, similarly, 14589 is equal to cn plus m. Yes or no? Now, just see, suppose this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now, if you subtract 1 from 2, so what you'll get? Tell me. See, 13,903 minus 13,511. Tell me. So 2 you'll get here. I'm subtracting 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1. Yes. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. And then 9 minus 6 is, and that is equal to b minus a times n. Is there any problem? Have you understood? Yes or no? 392 you'll get. Now similarly, if you subtract 1 from 4, 1 from 4, 1 from 3. So what you'll get? 3 minus 1. Now 14,000 minus 13,000, that is 1,000. Yes or no? 1,089 minus 11 is 78, I guess. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? I'm subtracting 1 from 3. So what you'll get? Tell me. C minus A times N, and M will get cancelled. So this is equation 4, 5. Okay. Now next, what do you need to do? Subtract 2 from 3. Yes or no? So 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 0 is 8. And 15 minus 9 is 6. 686 is equal to, tell me, C minus B times N, that is 6. So you can clearly see here 392, 1078, 686. All these numbers are multiple of N. It means N is the HCF. That is the highest common number which is there in all these three numbers. So in order to find out N, we need to find out HCF of 392, 1078 and 686. I hope it is clear, because it is multiple of N, and N is the maximum number that can be taken common in all these three numbers. Yes or no? Because here we have got B minus A, C minus A and C minus B. We don't HCF. How LCM? No, the largest number, maximum number, not minimum. N is the largest number that can be taken common from all these numbers. So HCF. Simple. Yes or no? So you will get the value 686. Find out the HCF. How to find out HCF? No. See, we have to use that division method. We need to just divide the larger number by a smaller number, and then we have to make the remainder, whatever the remainder you get, that becomes divisor. Yes or no? Or dividend, I guess. A divisor, and the last quotient or the last divisor will become dividend. And we have to continue till we get the remainder 0. So please try to find out the HCF. Find out the HCF of 392, 1078 and 686. Yes, online students, are you getting or not? Slightly difficult questions, I agree, but we have to solve. Yes or no? Yeah. We need to find out the HCF. Do you know the divisibility test of 7? We need to subtract or we need to find out the difference between the number obtained by omitting the unit place and double of the unit place. So if you see 39 minus 4, that is 35, which is multiple of 7. Similarly, 107 minus 16 is what? What is 107 minus 16? 107 minus 16. 91, which is multiple of 7. And what is 68 minus 12? 52, which is multiple of 7. So 7 is common factor. So we can just divide. We can just divide all these numbers by 7. Whatever the numbers we have got, then we need to find out the HCF. And then whatever the HCF will get, that will be, multiplied by 7 in order to get the final HCF. That will be the value of N. Yes or no? So let us divide. See, 392 can be written as, tell me, 7 into 7 5s are 35 and 7 6 are 42. Yes or no? What is 1078? 7 times 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Yes or no? 7 ones are 7, 37, 7 5s are, and 7 4s are 28. Yes or no? And what is 15 minus 8? 7. 56 is multiple of 7. Again, one more time we are getting 7. Yes or no? So next, 686. Tell me. 686 can be written as 7 into 7 nines are 63 and 7 eights are. Again, this can be further written as 7 into 7 into 8. Yes or no? This is 7 into 7 into 7 twos are 15. 7 twos are 15. Now, 7 into 7 into 1 4. Yes or no? Now, this can be written as, again, further I can write, see here, I can write this, see, these three numbers, if you see, 2 is again HCF. So the final HCF would be 98. Yes or no? Because 98 is there in every number. Yes or no? So what is the HCF? 90. So N is 98. Simple. Yes or no? Now, since we have got the value of N, so I can directly see what was there in the question. If you divide it by N, whatever the remainder we get, that is M in each number. So what we can do, we have to just divide any number. So let us take, the 1351 1 13511. So we need to just divide it by 98. Whatever the remainder you will get, that will be M. And then what we need to do, we need to add both of them in order to get the final answer. Very easy question. Yes or no? Have you understood? But remember the type. That is the thing. Yes or no? You don't revise whatever you study. That is the problem. So 45. Yes, online students, have you understood? So the number can be written in the form of a into n plus one, which is nothing but a dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. That is what I have done. Yes or no? And then we needed to eliminate m. So if you subtract, you can get 3 more equations from the above 3 equations, 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? After eliminating m, it is quite clear that all these numbers are multiple of n, and n is the maximum number or the largest number that can be taken common. So it means n will be the HCF of 3921078 686. Yes or no? So we need to find out HCF. So n is 98. HCF is 98. So n is 98. So now, in order to get the value of m, what we need to do? We need to just divide any of the 3 numbers which are already given in the question by 98, and whatever the remainder we get, that would be the value of m. Then we need to add. Have you got the answer? Just divide it by 98. 13511. Whatever the remainder you get, that will be the value of m. And if you just add the values of m and n, that will be your final answer. Yes or no? Will you solve it on your own? That is very easy now. Okay. Please try question number 44. Oh, very easy. Please try. Question number 44. So we need to find out the correct answer and then we have to find out the difference. Very easy. So just simplify. Simple multiplication. Yes or no? Just remove all these points first. Yes or no? So how many decimal points are there in numerator? 11, I guess. Yes or no? See, uh, 1216 into 105 into 0.0002 divided by 0.625 into 0.08512 into 0.039 into 0.16. Yes or no? Now, can I write? See, if I count here, how many decimal points are there? I mean, how many digits are there after decimal point? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes or no? And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I need to multiply by 10 raised to 13 on both numerator and denominator. Yes or no? So if you multiply in the denominator by 10 raised to 13, it becomes 625. Here, 85, I mean 8512 into 39 into 16. Here, you will get 1216 into 105 into 2 into 100. Yes or no? I hope you understood this one. Now just simplify. Very easy. Tell me. 25 into 4, 100. 25 into 25. Yes or no? Now tell me. 5 into 5 to the 10. 21 into 5, 105. Here we have got 5. Now, um, 3 7s are 21, 13. Yes or no? Now next, this is 8 and this is, tell me, 608. Yes or no? And 4 2s are 8. Which one? 608 and 2. 304. Now next, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Yes. Yes or no? 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42. Yes or no? Yes or no? And this is 304. 3 4s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. 4 times. 2 2s are 4. Is there anything left in the numerator now? No. So it is 1 upon 13 into 2, 26 into 5. Yes or no? That is 130. Yes or no? So, but this is not the correct answer. If you see, one of the options is 1 by 130. Yes or no? We need to find out the difference. So what we need to see, which one is larger, 1 by 65 or 1 by 30? 130.
1 by 65.
So we need to find out the difference. So D is what? 1 by 65 minus 1 by 130. That is equal to 2 minus 1 by 130. That is 1 by 1. 130 plus 1 by 130 plus 1 by 130 is 1 by 65. Yes or no? Done. Answer is 1 by 130. Luckily somebody may get the right answer. Understood? Okay. Yes, online students. Would you try the next one? 43. Tomorrow we'll take reasoning only. 2 hours. Okay. 43. Please try. 43. If x be the greatest number of 4 digits, which when divided by 15, 20, 28, in each case, the remainder is 2. The sum of the digits of x is. Please try. Very easy. Yes. Question number 43. Sorry. Yes, 43. X be the greatest number of 4 digits, which when divided by 15, 20, 28, leaves in each case the remainder 2. So we need to find out the LCM of 15, 20, 28 first. Why LCM? Because LCM is the smallest number. LCM is the smallest number, which is the multiple of 15, 20, and 28. So if you divide by any of the numbers 15, 20, and 28, whatever the remainder you will get, the same remainder you will get when you divide the given number or any number, the same number, by LCM of all these 3 numbers. Are you getting my point? See, if you divide, suppose let us take 46 or not 46. Yes, 46. So if you divide 46 by 15, what is the remainder? 1. Yes or no? Now, if you divide 46 by 45, what is the remainder? 1. 1 only. Why? See, 45 is the multiple of 15. Yes or no? That is why we are getting the same number. Same remainder. Yes or no? So we need to find out LCM of 15, 20, and 28. What is the LCM? Tell me. So LCM of 15, 20, and 28. How to find out LCM? See, this is 3 into 5. This is 5 into 4. This is 4 into 7. So see, I need to take 1 3, 1 5, 1 4, and 1 7. That is LCM. Yes or no? So what is the LCM? 420. Very good. So that is the LCM. Now, if you divide any number by 15, whatever the remainder you will get, the same number remainder you will get by if you divide the same number by 420, because 420 is multiple of 15. 420 is multiple of 20 as well, and 420 is multiple of 28 as well. I hope you got it. Yes or no? Why we are finding out LCM? 420. Understood? Now, just try to find out the largest number of 4 digits. That is 999. 4 times 9. And divide 9,999 by 420. Just check what is the remainder you're getting. Yes. And write the number, the greatest digit number, I mean 4-digit number in terms of multiple of 420, we can say. I mean 420 into n plus 2, because the remainder should be 2. Yes or no? So what is the remainder we are getting if we divide the largest 4-digit number, which is 9,999 by 420? What is the remainder? Tell me. 11 we are getting. Okay. See, what is double of 420? Tell me. 840. Yes or no? No. 9 minus 0 is what? 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And here 1. Now 4 4s are 16. So we have to go 3 times. Yes or no? So 3 times. Tell me. This is 60 and this is 12. Tell me. 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. And this is 5. 5 minus 2. Tell me. 3. 339. So can I write? See here. Can I write 9999 is equal to 420 into 23 plus 339. But we don't want remainder 339. What we want? 2. So we need to find out the remainder 2. So number should be 420 into 23 plus 2. That is the largest 4-digit number. Yes or no? But we have got, see, remainder is 339 if you divide the largest number by 420. But we don't want remainder 339. Yes or no? So 420 into 23 plus 2 will be your number. And whatever the number you get, we need to find out the sum of all the digits. That is why options are very less. Yes or no? I hope you understood. Yes or no? You'll get the number as well, and we need to find out, but we don't want to find out the number, original number. We have to find out the sum of all the digits in that particular number. Yes or no? So just multiply it and add all the digits. So we need to find out the sum of all the digits. So please try this one. If you don't get it, we'll discuss in the next lecture. Okay. So thank you, everyone.